Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, just go to the start button and here you have to hit right click, then you will find the option settings. Here click and then you will find the option system. We have to click here, and in case if you don't find it, you can just search its name by here, and also you will find the option here as recovery. Let me scroll a bit, and yeah, there you go. Here is an option for recovery. We have to click on reset PC, and here you will get two options. First one is keep my files and the second one is remove everything, and it is so obvious. If you want to keep your files, you can go with the first option, and in case if you want to remove everything, you can go with the second option. So let's suppose if I click on the first one, here you will get two options like cloud download and local reinstall. In the cloud download, they will download and reinstall Windows from the cloud, and in the second one they will reinstall Windows from your device, but make sure Windows should be available on your device, and only then you can hit on this local reinstall. But if you want to remove everything, you can just go with the second option. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can reset Windows 11 to factory settings. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.